Are you an apparel decorator? Are you looking for something that enables you to print full color graphics on small quantities? If so, you're in luck. In today's video, we're going to be comparing two of them and putting them to the test. If you're new here, welcome to the AlmighTees channel. This side-by-side comparison is between the Siser EasyColor DTV and the Blue Line Dark Heat Transfer Paper. Let's go!
As we go through this video, I will also be explaining how the print and cut process works. Here is the design we will be using. In the software, I create what is called a cut line. This line on screen is where the cutter will be cutting after the design has been printed. Always give yourself a little bleed or wiggle room. Cutters aren't always as precise as you might think. I load the sheet onto a standard inkjet printer and print the design with registration marks included. After placing the printed sheet into the cutter will read each of the 4 registration marks and will then cut using the predetermined cut lines described before. The unwanted material will need to be removed, which is called weeding. The next step is to add a self-adhesive masking film which helps to remove the DTV from the backing. Some burnishing on top and bottom always helps with a clean release. And now, it's ready to apply. The Blue Line Dark presses for 30 seconds at 350 degrees using medium pressure cool peel. The Siser EasyColor on the other hand presses for 15 seconds at 310 degrees using medium pressure warm peel. I use standard placement for the left chest for both products and for both back prints. The benefit for using the mask is that it also sticks to the shirt, making heat pressing easier. So after using both products in similar situations, what's my final assessment? Here are my thoughts. Both released from the backing fairly easily, so they are even there. The color vibrancy was a bit underwhelming for me, but that may very well have more to do with print settings than the material. Both were even there also. I plan on trying some different settings on future jobs and see what the outcome is. The Siser EasyColor's cost per sheet is definitely more expensive than the Blue Line. Let us know in the comments if you want us to tell how each holds up to washing and wearing over time, and we can make a follow-up video after a few washings of each. The Blue Line heat transfer paper is thicker and a tad stiffer, but is more opaque. Siser EasyColor is definitely thinner and a softer hand on the shirt, but because it's thinner, it's not quite as opaque. So it really depends on what you're looking for. We're planning on keeping both around the shop and we'll give clients the option to which they ultimately want.
We hope you found this video helpful. So in closing, please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be alerted whenever we upload new content. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.